Hi there, students. Mercenary. You can have it as a noun, a mercenary, or you can have it as an adjective, mercenary. So a mercenary is a soldier of fortune. It's a private individual who participates in a war, a military conflict, for money. It's somebody who's paid to fight. And they fight for money rather than for any political interest. It's a person who fights in a conflict. They're not a member of the state, they're not a member of the military group which they're fighting for. They're fighting because they are paid to do it. Okay? And that is a mercenary. But we very often use this word mercenary, meaning somebody who is motivated by money. Yeah, they're greedy. They do things because they can get money from them. They're only interested in the amount of money that they can get from a situation. So he is so mercenary that he would sell his grandmother into slavery if he could. He had the mercenary idea of marrying the rich old lady in order to get her money. So mercenary, somebody you describe somebody as mercenary. They're trying to get money. They're doing something, but the only motivation is the money. Yeah, notice this word mercenary is very critical. Yeah, because you think they're doing things because they can get money. So his only interest in you is mercenary. I have a feeling that the society we live in is becoming more and more mercenary. Yeah, what do I get if I do that for you? So influenced by greed, by a desire for gain. So instead of being a soldier on the battlefield, it's just you do things in life because you're going to be able to get money for them. You're getting an advantage, and that's why you're doing something. So for mercenary reasons, concerned with making money and forget the ethics. Most crime is completely mercenary, money orientated. You want to get money in any way you can, and if it's illegal, well, it doesn't really matter, does it? Okay, so mercenary reasons. He's a very mercenary person, and I don't think it's really a very nice thing. So he's somebody who's very materialistic. They only do things to get money. They're grasping. They're avaricious. His motives for doing this are mercenary. So be careful, because when it's not advantageous to him, you will not continue to get his support. Okay, so a mercenary, a soldier who hires his services to the highest bidder, to the person who offers the most money. And then mercenary, influenced by the desire for money, a mercenary attitude, a mercenary motive. So you're thinking about cash, cold hard cash. Formality. So a mercenary, as in a soldier. 5 in formality, use anywhere. This person is very mercenary. 5.56, I think again use it anywhere, but it is a touch on the formal side. And as to origin, this comes from Latin mercenarius, hired for money, from mercies, a reward, wages, the price for something. Yeah, so mercenary. interested in personal gain. That's their only motivation. Not for love, certainly. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Mercenary.